Hello guys, welcome back to Kenso YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to make this beautiful office hijab. You can also rock it as your gym hijab or corporate hijab, and you can as well wear it with your abaya. It is a very beautiful multi-purpose mini hijab that you can use easily with any of your outfits, as long as you don't want an hijab that will be very long and be disturbing you. So do ensure to watch this video till the end if this is something you like to learn and recreate for yourself. This is the fabric we'll be using for this class. It is lycra fabric. You can as well use jersey fabric. You can see how stretchy it is. So guys, before we proceed, I would like to tell you about our upcoming modest bridal wear class. The class is already available for registration, so do ensure to send us a DM to register for this class. What you see displayed on your screen is what we'll be making in this class and more. So this is the fabric I'll be using for this class. It is just a pieces of fabric I have left, but then if you want to make yours, you'll be needing half yards of half yards of your fabric is enough for you. So the weight of the fabric on fold is 18 inches. So here I measured the neck circumference, which is 13 inches, and the length of the hijab is 22 inches. So right here I measured 15 inches. If you are familiar with our tutorials on this channel, you will know that this is how we usually cut the mini hijab we used to attach to the hijab gowns and jilbabs. So it is the same pattern. The difference is that the length of this one is different from those ones. So I connected all the measurements as seen. You might want, okay, 1 yard of fabric is what you'll be needing, please. 1 yard of fabric is what you'll be needing to make this. So I've cut the hijab as seen. The next thing I'll be doing now is to cut the hijab cap, but before doing that I ensure to notch the center of the hijab. So I'll be cutting the cap right now. The cap width I'm working with, I made it 7.5 inches and the depth is 4.5 inches, and I connected it. As I always say, the measurement for hijab cap is not constant. It depends on how wide you want it to be. And remember, the fabric we are using here is a very stretchy fabric. You can use your lycra fabric or jersey fabric. So this is what we'll be having. So the first thing I did was to fix the hijab cap. So right here the fabric is facing, the right side of the fabric is facing up, while the hijab cap is folded right side facing out. So I placed the notched part over each other and I attached the cap as seen. If you don't have this interlocking machine, you can as well use your normal sewing machine to make this hijab. It is a very simple DIY hijab. You can even use your needle and thread to make, and you'll be good to go. If you would like to join our online class, the link to the class is in the description box, and you can as well send us a message on WhatsApp for inquiries. I was checking the right side and the wrong side again because the fabric it was looking like to differentiate both the wrong side and the right side was quite confusing. Before we continue guys, these are some of the online courses we have readily available for registration. Remember, once you register for our classes, you'll be added to the class and you have access to the materials immediately. So do ensure to check the link in the description to register for our courses and check some other courses we have there, and also do send us a message if you have any question regarding our online classes. So I had to continue with another hijab because I made them in different color, because that other tutorial actually paused without me knowing. So the next thing I did after fixing the cap was to weave the down part of the hijab, and then this is how I joined the face circumference all the way down like this. So even if you are using needle and thread to make yours, or you are using the normal sewing machine, this is how to make it. And there is no constant measurement for the face circumference. The best thing for you to do is to try it on and just note the particular point where it fits perfectly on your face, because the fabric stretch differently, and that is how you get to know the particular face circumference measurement you'll be inserting on the face circumference area. So this is what we have. So guys, this is the beauty we made. Do let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this hijab for yourself. Like I said, I made them in different colors for my clients, and if you like to get this hijab on wholesales, we actually have them readily available, and we can make them for you in any color of your choice as well. So this particular one was made with a jersey fabric. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See you in our next tutorial. Bye. Thank you for watching.